Loads of people from all walks of life find luthiery fascinating. I hear it all the time. They'd love to get involved in some way, gain insight into the details of how a musical instrument is made, or maybe even get their hands on the wood and tools and craft an instrument themselves. Well, we're presenting a way to enter into that mystery. I'm John Weissenrieder, luthier, and this is Sarah Greenbaum, painter and aspiring luthier. Over the past 4 months, Sarah's been coming to my workshop, learning the rudiments of luthiery, and making a ukulele. This has turned out to be a great project, and the incredible amount of enthusiasm and interest expressed by so many people has sparked us to come up with an illustrated book about how a ukulele is made. The book is the fruit of our combined knowledge and skills. I describe the process step by step, and Sarah illustrates everything with drawings and paintings, adding the experience she's gained at the luthier's bench to her artistic abilities. Beautifully detailed images show how the wood is cut, planed, chiseled, bent, and glued as it's transformed into a musical instrument.